Don't look at mommy, just go for the ball. Yes, we know you can roll. We videoed that already.
Go back up. Go back up like you're gonna crawl. Like you're gonna crawl.
Oh, I know, we're mean. We're mean. We keep letting you do tricks all day long. Here. Stop looking at mommy. That's part of the problem here.
Hi. Hi, Zoe. Here, play with your ball. Play with your ball. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye, camera. Bye-bye, camera.
Bye-bye.
I'll do it another day.